Hello, I'm so excited today. I'm going to show you how to make a window herb garden. Welcome if you're new here. This is Making with Mouse. I try to come out with a new YouTube video tutorial every week, but I've been a little bit behind, so thank you for sticking around. So step one, you're going to need your containers for the windowsill. I found these box ones at Home Depot and these two round ones at the sill. I love these ones from Home Depot because they have little lips at the bottom. I also got some of my herbs from there too. I also wanted to talk about the dirt I got. It's very rich and yummy, and you want to make sure you get a good dirt for your plants to give them a good start to growing. So this first herb I want to talk about is sweet mint. I got this mint because I wanted to make my own mint tea, and it's very important that you don't put mint into the ground or with any other herbs. This mint is crazy. This herb is explosive. It will take over and spread out beyond your wildest dreams. Very beginner friendly. In these two rounder containers, I originally had succulents in these, but I wanted to put in some herbs, and so I got some rocks to kind of help with the drainage. This is optional. This is only if your container doesn't have any holes in the bottom, like if you're using a mason jar or something. I got these smaller herbs at the farmer's market. I thought I would take a chance on these little guys, and you'll actually see how they did. I'm going to share an update at the end of this video that's going to show 5 months from now, so stick around. This herb here is sage. I got that to make some sauces, and I also got thyme because it's a classic. And lastly, I got some basil. Now, I love basil, so I wanted to put it all to have its own container. And these little guys were pretty weak when I got them, so I'm not hopeful for how they'll turn out, but again, you'll see how they did in the update. And I've read that whenever you've transported plants or you've moved them around, you want to give them a good water because they get stressed out, and same. I got these miniature roses from Trader Joe's. And again, this container doesn't have a drainage hole, and so I'm going to put in some rocks. And voila! All right. And now we're going to jump into the future or the present, and it's going to be 5 months from now. All right, so this is how the mint is doing, and look at it. It is completely exploded, and I've cut this a bunch of times to make lots of loads of tea. Highly recommend getting yourself some mint. The basil's looking a little sad, the thyme is no longer with us, and the sage is in still pretty good shape. But yeah, I'm gonna work on my thyme in the future. And yeah, I hope this inspired you to get a little nature inside your home. It's so important, especially if you don't live in an area that has tons of greenery. It's really nice to have a little pop of green and life in your home if you have the space. And because my cat likes to eat everything, I made sure these were all cat friendly. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.